If you have been using WhatsApp for a while or just have begun, you've probably heard of WhatsApp Last Seen feature. It is an extremely useful tool to find out your contact's WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Last Seen status on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp, then tap on three vertical dots that is on the top right corner of your screen. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Settings. On Settings page, tap on Privacy. There you will see Last Seen and Online option. Tap on it. Now tap on Everyone option. So that is how you turn on Last Seen status on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.